In today's video, we're gonna dive into the popular effects that are used in analog horror. I'm gonna give you guys the secrets to make that amazing analog aesthetic. So make sure to stay for the entirety of the video so you won't miss out on anything. To start off, we're gonna lower the quality of our footage. I'm gonna leave tutorials in the description down below to capture that low quality feel. Next, we're gonna want overlays. We can find overlays by searching up on YouTube or Google free glitch overlays. Or you guys can download my free sample pack that has analog VHS overlays. It's drag and drop, simple and easy. Change the blending mode and you got yourself some glitches. Next is using an emulation. I will leave the link to this website to download. Simply click on the link, scroll down, and click on download the latest version. Once we have it downloaded, this screen will pop up. Simply click on open file, find your footage, click on it, and your video should pop up on the screen. To start off, I don't like to mess with any of this. I like to go down here to the presets and click on the one that I like the most. My personal favorite is Jane Lawn and this first one. As we can see, it really gives that analog feel. By the simple click of a button, we can transform our footage from looking plain to analog. To render the video, at the bottom, there's a render video as button. Click on it and you guys can render your video. And here's a discount code for my newest analog overlays editing pack on my website. One effect that I see in most analog horror is the effect called threshold. And if we go ahead and play around with a threshold, we can get different effects. And we can even add in a noise effect and turn up the noise. And if you don't want the color noise, we can easily turn that off and we can have this look. Make sure to mess around with the threshold and see what you like. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.